you've been searching, silencing my mind, trying to be patient, but running out of time. No